Alright, number 17 and 18, it says to solve and graph the inequality. So again, we're going to solve this like we would an equation. We're going to separate the left and the right side, and we're going to distribute, combine like terms, and then get our variables on the same side. So we distribute, that gives us 4x minus 12 minus 7 is less than, and we distribute over here, you get 2x minus 6. So then we combine like terms. Over here we can combine the negative 12 and the negative 7. So that gives me negative 19. Over here there's nothing to combine. Again, I always move the smallest variable. Doesn't matter which one you get rid of. I need to get rid of the 2x because it's smaller. So I subtract. And 4x minus 2x is 2x. Minus 19 is less than negative 6. And then I need to get rid of that negative 19, so I add it. So 2x is less than 13, and then we divide by 2. So x is less than 6.5. Now to graph that then, we're going to put an open circle, because remember, if it doesn't have the line under it, it's an open circle. So an open circle at 6.5. So 6.5 is going to be between 6 and 7, so halfway between. So we're going to put our open circle here, and then we're going to shade. It's pointing to the variable. It's less than, so we're going to shade to the left. Okay, so this right here is number 17. So I'm going to put out the side at number 17 because we're going to graph both of them on the same graph. All right, number 18, we have fractions involved. Remember that we're going to have to multiply both sides by a multiple of those two numbers, and the easiest way to do that is just to multiply the different denominators together. So you have a 2 and a 3, and you multiply that together, you get 6. So we're going to multiply both sides by 6. And again, you're just distributing. So 6 times 1/2 is 3x plus, and then 6 times 2/3 is going to give us 4. Now again, if you want to use your calculator, you would just do 6 times and then 2 divided by 3, and that gives you 4. Is less than or equal to, again, 6 times 2/3 is going to give you 4x, and then 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so now it looks just like this. You're ready to get your variables on the same side. 3x is smaller, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So 4 is less than or equal to x plus 12, and then I'm going to subtract 12. So x, and you have your less than or equal to, and this gives you negative 8. Now, to graph this then, we're going to rewrite this. So x, it's pointing to the negative 8. We're going to flip it around. So we got to keep it pointing to the negative 8. Okay, so this reads x is greater than or equal to negative 8. So I'm going to come over here, greater than or equal to, has a line under it. It's going to be a closed circle, and it's greater than, so it's going to go to the right. And again, I'm going to put number 18 above it. Now, if you didn't move the smaller variable, okay, so let's just look at a different way of doing this, because there's a different rule or a different step you would have to do. So I'm going to rewrite this. 3x plus 4 is less than or equal to 4x plus 12. So if you are one that just always wants the variable over here on the left side, and you subtract 4x, that gives you negative 1x. Okay, and that's fine. You just still go through the same steps. You subtract 4, and you get negative 1x is less than or equal to 8. And then you divide by negative 1. Here's where you have to remember this rule. When you divide by a negative number, it flips the inequality. Okay, so see, we ended up with the same answer. Okay, but we have to remember that rule about flipping the inequality when we divide by a negative. If we're accustomed to always moving or canceling out the smallest variable, then that step of having to remember that kind of goes away, because you'll be left with a positive number. So there's two different ways once you get to this point to solve it, depending on if you're putting the variable on the right side or the left side. But either way, you end up with the same answer.